Alright, Siggy's World's video again. So now we'll be changing the light of fog light of the van of wife, the Toyota Sienna. So come on, join me. As you can see, you could see that it's white in this one. That's the one that I just changed. And this one, we'll change it. I'll show you how to change the fog light for LED. It's nice, right? It's brighter as well on the highway. So there you go. We lay out some mats for us, and we're gonna go under. Check it out. It's easy to change actually, because I changed it. The other one already, so there's still some snow, so you just take out these 3 bolts here. 1, 2, and then there's another one here. Just take that out. Okay, so we've taken out 1 bolt already. So actually one is missing when we were traveling. This one is missing, so this one I have to take it out. Just have to find another one, another piece for that. There you go. Just wearing some gloves because it's cold. Look out that skirting. Okay, share the light so you can see. There's some snow there, so just take that out from there and pop that off as well if you can. There. And we'll just change position here so we can see. So that's where you're gonna take it out. Then you just twist it. There you go. And voila, taken out. So there you go. We're gonna change this one. Take that out. And we're just gonna save this one just in case we need it again. So now we have this one, and we'll be putting it over there. There. And then you just twist it up. What's that? Okay. Not too much. Okay, there you go. And then just be careful on that and snap that on, and should be good to go. Now we're gonna go test it, see if it lights. So now we have this one, and we'll be putting it over there. There. and then you just twist it up. What's that? Okay, not too much. Okay, there you go. And then just be careful on that and snap that on, and should be good to go. Now we're gonna go test it, see if it lights. So now it's working, so we're just about to put it back all together, and it should be good. Now we just make sure that it's working, so that's why I started up. Look at that, guys. And I changed that headlight actually too, so now it's all good. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna put back the skirt, and there you go. Should be going here, which is the one that's missing the bolt, I think. So should be like that. Like here. Two hands. There you go. We managed to change it with a clip, and hopefully that stays in there. So it's actually total of 4 bolts with 10 mm ratchet, and there, it's good now. Here we go, folks. So nice, it's all good to go. Thanks for watching again, guys. See you in the next video.